there! Billy Mays here with the amazing new product for you, the turbocharged Double D DX. Have you ever been stumped on a derivative problem? Completely unable to move on? Well, boy, is this product gonna change your life. I have found a set of rules that will help you simplify and solve derivatives faster and easier than you could have ever believed.
These products really changed our lives.
For the better.
Personally, the three rules that help me the most are the constant rule, constant multiple, and the product rule. The constant rule is easy because whenever you're taking the derivative of a constant, it just equals 0.
Okay.
The constant multiple rule is simple because when you're taking the derivative of a function with a constant, you just bring the constant out front and multiply it by the derivative of the function. The product rule is probably the most tricky but useful rule of them all. If you have two functions, f and g, and you're trying to find the derivative of both of them, you do f times g prime plus g times f prime.
And specifically for me, the power rule, sum and difference rule, and quotient rule. So whenever you're taking the derivative of a variable that has a power, you simply take this power, bring it out front, multiply it by the variable, and then subtract the power by 1. When you have something like this, it's called sum and difference rule. So you have two functions that you're either adding or subtracting, and it's quite simple. All you have to do is just find the derivative of one and find the derivative of the other, and add or subtract them. Whenever you're trying to find the derivative of a function divided by another function, that's called quotient rule. And the little saying for that is low d high minus high d low, square the bottom, and away we go. That means you're ready to start.
All of this just to prevent us from having to use two forms of equations.
The difference quotient
And the alternative form.
But wait, there's more! Do you folks hear that? That's the chain rule rolling around the corner. Here we go. Derivative of a function to a power. Same thing as the power rule. Pull that power out front, multiply it to the original function, raised to the original power minus 1. But there's a small difference. You have to multiply by the derivative of that inner function, so to speak. If you call now, within the next 10 minutes, we'll throw in the trig package. Derivative of sine equals cosine. Derivative of cosine equals negative sine. Derivative of tangent equals secant squared. Derivative of cosecant equals negative cosecant times cotangent. Derivative of secant equals secant times tangent. Derivative of cotangent equals negative cosecant squared. Once again, call that number 1-800-MY-DERIV. 1-800-MY-DERIV. Call now.